debug the 1 second clock signal, we're gonna get our simulation going with the previous steps, and then we're gonna have the test bench here as the top level entity. This one is our 24-hour clock, and inside that one we expand it and we have the 1 second clock signal. We click there and we want to make sure that all our signals are correct. So we're gonna start checking the clock to see. This is selecting this one. This is inside the 1 second clock signal. If you have run any simulation previously, you're gonna see your signals automatically to populate. And we're gonna see the reset, and that one is not simulated. So, and the third signal that is important is the output. So if these three are correct, then we shouldn't have to go deeper in the debugging. So we restart the simulation, we click OK, and then we run it. Okay, so we have the reset at the beginning as we want it, resetting at the beginning and then not resetting anymore. And then we have the clock going into, and our output of the clock signal is 1, and that was expected from our design. But until now, until 100 nanoseconds, we haven't seen any change. We want to make sure that this is functioning properly. So we're gonna run again, and still no change. If you see, we're gonna increment this one to 1000 nanoseconds, and we're gonna run it. See if that changes. We're gonna increment it to, let's see, it still is 1. Let's put 10 microseconds. It's still 1. Then there's a change. Okay, so it's changing. Let's increment a little bit more the timing of the simulation. It's gonna wait a little bit, and it's changing 1, 0, and 1. We can simulate more. We're gonna see. Okay, so it seems that our if you have this, then your 1 second clock signal is functioning properly. If this is not coming as we expected, first we check that the clock is properly running, then the reset is running only at the beginning and 0 after that. If those two are correct and the third one is not correct, then we go again here. The next thing we want to check is that we're giving the proper reference and that the counter is